Riboti ya ruhonge rwa kuhurana na murimu wa mukingo guku bururi-ini yonanitie ati Kenya yandikithagia arwaru 6,000 eru a murimu wa mukingo aya ari mbeu njithi a gatagati ka ukuru wa miaka 15 na 24. Kuringana na ruhonge ruru, mubango wa thirikari wari kunyihia utambania wa murimu uyu na gicunji kia 75 hari igana ihinda-ini ria miaka na mihituku. Undu uria utanakinyanira, kaunti ta Mandera ikiandikithia nyongerera ya gicunji kia 156 kia utambania wa murimu uyu. Akiaria mwena wa Naivasha, mwandiki mukaru wa motungata ma urigitani Ouma Olunga augite thengia ya nditirie koretwo kwe ya kimbeca, Kenya ni hotete gutashukia makinya hari kuhurana na murimu uyu, akiuga kaunti ta Siaya na Isiolo ni cihotete gucokia thi ugwatania wa murimu uyu.
HIV burden, for example, is very unequal. 69% of that burden is shared just with 10 counties. So what integration means in Nandi is very different from what integration means in Busia.
We have all what it takes as a country. We have the resources within us, even the financial resources, if we strategically utilize them by integrating our systems.
Ona kuhanoro uguo akionania wagagu ukoni ugwatania wa murimu uyu gatagati-ini ka mbeu njithi agatagati ka ukuru wa miaka 15 na 24.
Now the challenge is that these new infections are now in the age population where we don't want them, the 15 to 24. You know, that's the future of a country. When we're talking about the youth and the population dividend, or the demographic dividend as it has been referred by economists, you don't want a young people who are sick.
Kuringana na Olunga, gicunji kia 69 hari igana kia urito wa murimu uyu kuitwo ni kaunti 10, akiuga kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia airitu anini kuohanda hamwe na bara cia kimicii no gatagati ka maundu maria macungiriirie wongerereku wa ugwatania wa murimu uyu.
We have a lot of issues to consider. So this triple burden of new HIV infections among the young people, teenage pregnancies, gender-based violence, particularly targeted at the young women, adolescents. We still have issues about drugs and drug abuse.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.